Hey guys, welcome to Iotguider. In this video, we will show you how to program NodeMCU module using Arduino IDE. For this, we will be uploading built-in LED blink program as a sample and see how NodeMCU works. All you will need for this is a NodeMCU module. Now let's start programming. If you haven't installed Arduino IDE, you can download it from the official Arduino website. Links are provided in the description below. For this, first we will need to install ESP8266 boards package using the boards manager in Arduino IDE. So for this, open Arduino IDE, then go to Files and Preferences, then scroll over to Additional Boards Manager URL and paste the URL provided in the description. Click OK and exit. Now go to Tools, Boards, then Boards Manager, then search for ESP8266. Now click Install and exit Boards Manager. Go to Tools, then Boards, then below you will see NodeMCU 1.0 module. Select it. If you have gone through all the previous steps without errors, you're good to go now. Before we move over to programming, make sure your ESP8266 boards package is installed properly in Boards Manager. The program of NodeMCU is similar to that of Arduino. The syntax and the structure of code is also similar. Now let's look at the program to blink built-in LED of NodeMCU module. So in this program, the LED built-in is set to output mode, and in the loop, we are turning on the LED for 1 second and then turning it off. So this is just a simple LED blinking program. Now upload the program as you would in any other Arduino boards by clicking this button. After program is compiled, it will start uploading and you should see something like this. After 100% of your program is uploaded, you should see the LED on your NodeMCU module blinking. So that was it for this video. For more details on NodeMCU, visit iotguider.in. Links provided in the description below. Please like, follow and subscribe to stay tuned for new updates. Thank you.